Meaning of golfing.
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 Golfing. In the programming community, golfing refers to the process of writing code that is as short and concise as possible while still achieving the desired outcome. The term comes from the sport of golf, where the player aims to hit a ball into a hole in as few strokes as possible. Similarly, in golfing, programmers aim to achieve their objective using the fewest and most efficient lines of code. This practice requires advanced problem-solving skills, creative thinking, and familiarity with the programming language being used. The end result is code that is compact, elegant, and often impresses colleagues.